It was raining all day today. My experience going this apple tree for a great harvest in a surprisingly small area. I usually pick in late September. Apples are usually ready to pick in October. When an apple is ready to pick, when you hold an apple in your hand, lift it towards the stem and twist. If it comes up easily, it's ready. Life with love is like a tree with passion and a bonus to produce food. There is nothing as satisfying as growing your own produce. Crunchy, a bit sour, slightly sweet, and when cutting, and that doesn't brown. Do you guys know what type of this apple tree name?